Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and I'm very excited to listen to the song. This has just dropped a day back. This is from Thalapathy Vijay's upcoming film Jananayakan, and the song is called Thalapathy Kacheri. It's a lyric video, there are no subtitles, but what I have been told, it's a very fun song. So if somebody can summarize what the song talks about in the comments, that'll just help me. But music is by Anirudh, and I am just going to enjoy the song, listen to the song and enjoy the song and the music. So obviously when I'm listening to it, I'm not really listening to it from the perspective of lyrics. It's more from the perspective of music and how it's making me feel. So yeah, let's go. Definitely going to be a dancey number. Oh, Anirudh is there in this video. That's good. I'm pretty sure it's talking about Vijay only. Huh? Nice. Let's go. Can I just say, I'm gonna pause. I usually don't pause, but I just want to say one thing about the outfits. I like how his outfit is like the simplest, because everything is so colorful and his is just like a white t-shirt and denims, but that makes him kind of stand out. Like there's this huge contrast. So I really like that idea, like from a choreography and from a contrast creation perspective. So yes. Okay. Oh, we're gonna watch the hook step again. Like you know that. Oh, definitely it's a fun song. Celebratory song. This is all his films, na? All his characters. Yeah, all his films.
Hey buddy, are you ready? Derricatto, Sarabeti, Maracatto, Namakoti, Maratadekala, Totina, steady, smile buddy, the Kori, Iribidi, the Pagi, the buddy, Malatala, Moratala, Pati, Perapala, Talapati, Kida Pade, Mana Pola Yarikate, Talapati, Kida Pade,
Pooja Agrawal also there.
Yarikate.
So someone else.
ஒரு மாபெரும் நாடு அதன் வேர்களில் நம்ம வேர்வ பாரு மரம் மேல் ஒரு கூடு அதன் தாய் வழி சொந்தம் இந்த காடு ஆவோ டுகெதர் பையா பையா ஜாதி பேதம் லோலே தையா
Oh, I need to know the meaning. Oh, that's Mamita. Oh, nice.
அண்ணன்
Very
கண்ணா
nice.
ஓச்சையா
ஒருத்தனு வரானே திருத்திட போறானே தங்கமே தளபதி தளபதி கச்சேரி அங்கனா வனகனா வெறித்தனமா
That's beautiful.
தளபதி கச்சேரி கொடிய பறக்க விட்டு விருது வச்சு கொண்டாடலாமா
Bro's energy is never dim.
மன போல யாரு காட்டே தளபதி கிட்ட பாடே எங்க போல யாருன்னா காட்டுறாடே எங்க அண்ணன் தளபதி கிட்ட பாடே
Oh, Arivu was there.
மன போல யாரு காட்டே
Yes, Arivu. Okay, cool.
தளபதி கிட்ட பாடே எங்க போல யாரு காட்டே
அண்ணா
என்னடா
One last dance.
ஓகேடா போடே.
Obviously, we'll have to watch the song in theater only for the full experience. Wow, that was fun. It's undeniable, guys. It's undeniable. Let me stop this. He is so loved. Vijay is absolutely so loved. And I'm sure it's like a very bittersweet moment for the fans that, it's like last film because he's going to dedicate himself in politics. But that's like a new phase in his life. It was really tragic what happened with the Stampede situation. I mean, nobody should lose their lives like this. It's absolutely unbelievably sad. But anyway, coming back to this particular song, because I really don't want to like start the commentary with a sad thing, but just wanted to address that because I just remembered it talking about him. So yeah, it is very tragic. But I heard that he has started like reaching out to the families. That's what I know. Please let me know in the comments. Anyway, regarding this song, Anirudh magic, it's always intact. He delivers. He knew what we need from a Vijay dance number and he has delivered. I really, really enjoyed it. It's a very fun vibe, very celebratory vibe. I'm sure it is celebrating him because then we see all his characters, the sketch, basically the sketches, then we see the movie names and all of that. So and the song is called Talapati Kacheri. So I feel it is completely celebrating him. And the little bits of choreography that we saw, that was fun. Anirudh really making catchy hooks and whatnot. Really, I really like the energy of the song. For me, this song was just pure fun. There are some songs where you really want to understand the nuances of the instrumentations and all of that, but here this was like beat heavy, purely fun. The way Anirudh was singing, the way Arivu, the little rap bit was there, then Vijay's voice as well. So all of it was blending together really well. And if you hear the cadence of all the artists, then it's like a very pumpy kind of number, and it is a song to celebrate him. But generally I'm saying it is a song where you're supposed to listen and just dance and groove and celebrate. That's the vibe, and I think Anirudh captured it really well. Can I just say, this lyric video was stunning. It's so colorful, and I understand because the set itself, if you see, it's a huge set, lots and lots of dancers. This is what I really like about specifically Tamil films and specifically the dance numbers here, because they're just like so many people, just gather so many dancers in the background and just create such a big atmosphere. It looks very larger than life, and I feel it looks also very pleasing to the eyes, because when that many number of dancers are synchronizing, I don't even know how many, because it was like a wide angle shot of when we were seeing that hook step. I don't even know how many dancers were there. Like, it's insane. That's like literal insanity. So because of that, because everybody was in sync, the costumes are really colorful, and Vijay is like in this really casual mode, so he's completely standing out, which I like. I really like that decision, because otherwise he would have kind of, if he also would have gotten like really wacky clothes, he would have blended with the entire crowd over there. So it wouldn't have looked really awful, but I feel that this was a very stark contrast, which I like. I like that decision. And we are here to witness his dancing prowess, which is just amazing. His energy, like I said, never dips. So it looked stunning, and the animation and all of those things were just absolutely phenomenal. So overall, definitely a fun song, definitely something that will trend for some time now, and something that people will really enjoy and loop it. I feel that this is that song. This is definitely that song. So yeah, that was my reaction to Talapati Kacheri lyric video. Wish there was subtitled. I feel at least for mainstream film songs, people should start putting subtitles. It's just my feeling. It's a personal opinion. Nothing like, oh, they have to do this because I have a reaction channel. No, I wish it was like made the norm now, because I think now it's a lot of people are watching films from so many languages and consuming the music and content. So I feel now subtitling work should be like a standard in the industry, is what I feel. So anyway, that's just my opinion, but let me know what are your thoughts in the comments below. And with that, I will end this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this reaction. I totally grooved with the song, and yeah, I'm gonna sign off now, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye.